Tired of endlessly clicking through redirect links just to get where you want to go on your Android device? Today, we're going to supercharge your mobile browsing by installing the Fast Forward Chrome extension on Kiwi Browser for automatic link skipping. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Kiwi Browser installed on your Android device. If not, you can download it from the Google Play Store. It's free. Open the Kiwi Browser and in the address bar, type in Go to the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type in Fast Forward. Don't forget the space. The Fast Forward extension should appear as the first search result, or near the top. It usually has a blue icon with a white arrow. Click on it. Now, on the Fast Forward extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Tap that button. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you want to add Fast Forward. Tap OK to confirm the installation. After a brief moment, the extension will be installed. You should see the Fast Forward icon added to the toolbar, usually on the right side of the address bar. And that's it. Now, when you browse websites with redirect links using Kiwi Browser, Fast Forward will automatically skip them, taking you directly to your intended destination, saving you precious time. Enjoy a faster, cleaner, and more efficient browsing experience with Fast Forward and Kiwi Browser. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy browsing!